somebody not sharing enough or participating enough or somebody talking too much. Is there like a rule of thumb about how much you should participate in a meeting?
Here's the thing. Most people in meetings don't really look around the room and get a feel for the energy. So what I recommend doing is actually feel the energy of the room, because most people who talk too much have no clue what's happening really. And the people who don't talk enough know what's happening a little too well, that they get fearful, and they get more fearful, and then they don't talk at all. And they start withdrawing more and more. So it's like either way, you want to sit there and it's like if you talk too much, put 3 rocks in your pocket and say you're only allowed to talk 3 times. Put the rock on the table. I had one client do this. She talked in the first 10 minutes, she talked 2 times. She had to spend the next hour and 15 minutes saying only one more thing. She hated it, but it really worked because she was discerning about what should I say or not. So part of it is thinking, what am I saying? Is it adding value? But if you're someone who never speaks, I don't care about you saying something adding value. I care about your visibility. So say, that's a great point Paul made. That's it. Or, I have a question for Paul. So my point is, try to get a feel for the meeting, for the room, and understand what is a good amount that would be appropriate, that feels like a good flow.